Hi, this is Anna here, and I'm a resident of Indranagar, Bangalore. I had hired the services of Dwella 2 years ago. We did the interiors of our house, primarily the kitchen and the wardrobes. I've been a resident of Indranagar since 2001 actually, so it's almost 25 years that we have been in Indranagar. And anytime I walked across 100 Feet Road, I would see their showroom and think that someday I will hire them because I liked how they presented themselves. And I was pretty much right about it. And even before hiring them, I did my homework. I went and I looked at other designers. I looked at what the designers had to say, and everybody was like a cookie cutter setup. And it wasn't very pleasing, and you also couldn't relate to the designer. So these things were very important to me, because if you can't relate to the interior designer and to the whole effect of it, the result will not be good. So I was very glad to meet Grishma, and she was of great help. She perfectly understood what I wanted, and I told her that I don't want these cupboards full of storage items. I need something that is sleek and contained and nobody sees it, and that's how I got a particular kind of storage system, which has everything stored inside and it's concealed. When I stand near my gas, I have the oil rack next to me. I have my baskets of onions and potatoes next to me. So everything is very much right next to me. And then the color scheme, of course. Then the dishwasher, placement of the dishwasher, the refrigerator. There are so many things, and I was very, very happy to have met Grishma. It's been totally worth it. To find service provider or an interior designer firm who really matched up to my expectations, the color scheme, the choice, and the quality that I wanted. So I had a very clear picture of how I wanted my kitchen to look, and how I wanted my wardrobes to be, and how I wanted the various aspects of my house. So though I do stay in an apartment, which is a 2,000 square foot apartment and not a villa, but still, however it is, I wanted it planned in such a way that there is optimum usage of space in my kitchen, and I was extremely particular about that. I wanted my kitchen to look very classy. I wanted my kitchen to have a white color scheme, and I wanted everything to be exactly where it's very convenient for me. Everything is really beautiful, and believe me, in these 2 years, every single person from whatever age group, whether it is a young child, whether it is an old man, whether it's a middle-aged man, and from various income brackets, whether it is just a college kid, or whether it is somebody who's retired, or there's somebody who's earning big money, like those big guys, directors of companies, every single person has said that your house looks so classy and so elegant. So that is something which I really am happy about, because the end result has been really good. So the kitchen was well taken care of. And in addition to that, we just had the wardrobes done. Now, the wardrobe area is also something that we women are very particular about, because I was very clear that I wanted a place for everything. And every time I would think about, okay, if it is an occasion, where should my saris be kept? Where will the blouses be kept? And everything has to have a flow to it. That was very important for me. I didn't want to be stretching out here and stretching out there. The same goes with my kitchen and wardrobe. I wanted a flow to all the things. So it has to be very functional, and it has to be good. At the same time, maintenance is also important. They didn't take much time also to do it. I mean, they did take 40-45 days to do the whole thing, but it was totally worth it, and that itself is a record time. Because most of the time you see interior decorators, they'll make promises of, we'll get it done in a month or 2 months, and it never happens really. But Dwella and their team were pretty dedicated. They came and they did everything. Some tweaking had to be done, which they happily cooperated. And like I said, it's been 2 whole years since we did it. We finished this in December 2020. We started somewhere in November 1st. It was a Rajyotsav day. And exactly, it took 40 days to finish this work. And it's been 2 years since then. And my house looks as good as new even now. Of course, we maintained it well. But what I'm trying to say is that after that, I hardly had any problems. I didn't have to call them and say that, okay, this paint is coming off, or this tile is falling off, or, there's an ugly stain here. I really did not have anything. And that says a lot about the whole workmanship and the kind of work they put in. So overall, I'm extremely happy with my house. My house looks really beautiful. It's like a big dream come true.